In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of not being able to add your phone number to your Steam account. Whether you're trying to add an extra layer of security or just want to make account recovery easier, adding your phone number is an important step. But if you're facing troubles doing that, don't worry, I'll walk you through the process and explain how to resolve it. First, make sure you're logged into your Steam account. Open the Steam client on your computer, or if you're using a web browser, head over to Steam's website and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your username in the upper right corner. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear from there. Select the option that says Account Details. This is where you'll manage various settings related to your account, including any issues with your phone number. Next, look for the section labeled Contact Info. It's here that you can add or modify your phone number. If you're unable to add a new phone number, or if there is a message indicating an error, don't panic. There are a few steps we can take to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Check the phone number you're trying to add. Steam has specific requirements, such as including the country code, and you need to enter the number correctly. For instance, if you're in the United States, your number should start with a 1. Clear any non-numeric characters that aren't part of the country code or the phone number, like spaces or dashes. If you've ensured that the number is formatted correctly and still can't add it, take a look at whether it might already be linked to another Steam account. Steam doesn't allow a phone number to be associated with more than one account simultaneously. To resolve this, ensure you remember any other accounts you may have and unlink the number from those. Still having issues? Sometimes, simply logging out of Steam and then logging back in can refresh the settings and solve the problem. This might sound too simple to work, but often, these small glitches are handled by a simple restart. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it might be time to reach out to Steam support. They can provide more specific help, especially if there's a larger issue impacting your account that you might not see from your end. When contacting support, be sure to provide as much detail as possible. Mention the steps you've already tried so they can better understand the issue. And there you have it, a clear path to fixing the issue of being unable to add your phone number to your Steam account. Following these steps should help you resolve the problem and enhance the security of your gaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.